Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids class name. Red color, green color, yellow color, blue color, black color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. O-N-E-1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. T-W-2. Kids write 3. The numbers of 3. T-H-R-W 3. Kids write 4. The numbers of 4 and use green color. F-O-U-R 4. Kids again use green color and draw 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids write 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. S-I-X 6. Kids write 7. The numbers of 7. S-E-V-E and 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids write 9. The numbers of 9 and use blue color. N-I-N-E 9. Kids write 10. The numbers of 10. T-E-N 10. Kids write 11. The numbers of 11 and use black color. Kids again use black color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids write 13. The numbers of 13 and again use black color. Kids write 14. The numbers of 14 and use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids write 16. The numbers of 16 and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. Kids write 18. The numbers of 18 and again use red color. Kids write 19. The numbers of 19 and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.